Welcome to our second film about the rice quality evaluation techniques used in the Australian rice breeding program by the cereal chemistry team at Yanco. As an important part of the breeding program, our major function is to assist the rice breeders to select and release new varieties of rice suitable for the Australian climate. Additionally, we perform industry-specific research. In our first film, we discussed whole grain yield. In this film, we will introduce you to other physical quality parameters of milled rice, grain dimensions, and chalk. Grain dimensions are the length, width, and thickness of milled grain. Rice is marketed by length, short, medium, or long grain, and shape, such as slender, bold, or round. Shape is defined by the ratio of length and width. The premium variety Reiziq is classed as a bold medium grain. Dimension uniformity is an important aspect of quality control. For example, consumers will not accept a mixture of long and medium grains in premium quality rice. Dimensions are genetic traits. For example, the Langi variety is a long grain type, whereas Reiziq is a medium grain type. However, other factors such as agronomic practices and environmental conditions will have a minor effect. Another important characteristic is chalk. Chalk is an opaque area on the surface of the rice grain. It is generally not desirable except in arborio and sake style grains. In addition to its negative visual impact, chalky grains are prone to breakage during milling and often result in a mushy texture when cooked. In our quality evaluation program, we employ 5 different chalk classifications based on the percentage of chalky surface. The varieties developed by our breeding program all have low chalk value except in Illabong, which is an arborio type variety. Chalkiness is a product of both genetics and environment. High temperature during the grain filling period has been identified as the major cause of chalkiness. We measure dimensions in chalk using an instrument called a Q-sorter. This relies on state-of-the-art technology that utilizes image analysis with an artificial neuron network. A sample is poured into the hopper and each grain is conveyed individually past a high-speed camera. Each image taken is analyzed and the results are predicted. We analyze more than 1,000 grains per sample to get an average value of length, width, thickness, and chalk for each sample. The cereal chemistry team assessed the grain dimensions and chalkiness in about 7,000 samples. This is useful to the breeders to select the best performing lines. It is a vital process in the Australian rice breeding program to produce a premium quality rice. I hope you enjoyed this film. There will be others in the series to explore. Thank you for joining me. Until next time, bye from the cereal rice chemistry team.